Ah. Ah. Now your turn. Ah. Perfect. Example, agua. Agua. Agua means water. Eh. Eh. Now you. Eh. Excellent. Example, escuela, escuela. School. Y. Y. You. Y. Example, sí. Sí. Yes. Oh. Oh. Now your turn. Oh. Example, no. No. Easy, right? Ooh. Ooh. Example, tú. Tú. You. Práctica. Practice. How will you pronounce the following word? You have the vowels a and o. Mano. Mano. Even if you have never seen that word before, you probably were able to read intuitively. Okay, well, mano means hand. That is one of the best things about Spanish pronunciation. Once you can read it, you can usually pronounce it. That means for you much less memorization. Letras especiales. Special letters. Now let's look at a few sounds that Spanish learners usually worry about. H, also known as the H muda. In Spanish, the H is silent. Listen. Hola. Hola. The H is there, but you don't pronounce it. Hola is enough for now. Ñ. Ñ. This is a special Spanish letter. Listen. Ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. Example, niño. Niño. It means boy. J. J. This one has a strong breath sound. Listen and try to repeat. Ha, he, he, ho, who. Good. Example, jugo. Jugo. Jugo means juice. R. R. Also known as ere. We are going to talk about the soft R sound for now, since most words in Spanish use this version. You do not need to roll your R's, at least not yet. Listen. Da, re, ri, ro, ru. Hacen cara. Cara. Cara means face. Doble L. Doble L. Hacen ya, ye, yi, yo, you. Example, llave. Llave. Llave means key. Práctica auditiva. Listen and practice. Let's challenge your listening skills for a moment. Which vowel do you hear in these words? Sol. Sol. Sol means sun. Do you hear the O? Very good. Now, pan. Pan. Pan means bread. Which vowel do you hear? Ah, excellent. Luz. Luz. Luz means light. And yeah, That's it, sound. Ooh. Let's do two more. Pez. Pez. Pez means fish, and that is a egg. Finally, fin. Fin. Fin means and that is a E that is spelled with. And with that, we end our listening practice. As you can notice, your ears are already adapting to Spanish sounds, and that is a huge step towards fluency. Guía de pronunciación. Pronunciation guide. Before we finish, here is a quick pronunciation guide to help absolute beginners understand some important Spanish sounds. These are not perfect rules, just helpful sound comparisons that can make pronunciation feel much easier at the beginning. As we said, H is silent. Ñ has a special sound, a little bit like the NY sound in English. Double L often sounds like the Y. J has a strong breath sound, similar to the H in English. Mientras que R has two soft sounds, a soft one that we learned today and sounds similar to the T in the word city. And you probably want to learn to do a roll R. I will be making a separate video on that sound, but with this, you're already off to a great start, since you're already covering a huge part of beginner pronunciation. For practice, write in the comments one Spanish word that you remember from today's lesson. Every word counts towards learning a new language.